Best Books Club presents Summary of the book, The Silent Patient by Michaelides. In this summary, we'll explore the main themes and plot of the novel, as well as the characters that bring it to life. The novel begins by introducing us to a character named Alicia Berenson, a renowned artist who is now a notorious patient in the Grove, a mental institution in North London. She has been accused of murdering her husband, Gabriel, a fashion photographer who was shot 6 times in the face. After the murder, Alicia never spoke again, hence the name The Silent Patient. Theo Faber, a forensic psychotherapist who has grown obsessed with Alicia's case. He decides to take up a job at the Grove just to get closer to Alicia in the hopes of treating her and getting her to speak. Theo has his own troubled past that he's trying to deal with, including a difficult childhood with an abusive father. As Theo begins to work with Alicia, he must navigate through the complicated patients and staff at the Grove, including a psychiatrist who seems to be hiding something. He also becomes intrigued by Alicia's paintings and the clues they may hold about her silence and her husband's murder. The novel alternates between Alicia's diary entries, which take us back to the past and give us glimpses into her relationship with Gabriel and the events leading up to his murder, and Theo's present-day investigation. As Theo continues his work with Alicia, he uncovers shocking secrets about her past and her motivations for staying silent after her husband's death. As the story unfolds, tensions rise in Theo's own past and his reasons for being so invested in Alicia's case come to light. He eventually unlocks the mystery of why Alicia shot her husband, but what he learns may shatter everything he knows about her and himself. The novel comes to a stunning and unexpected conclusion that will leave readers reeling even after they close the book. Thank you for listening to this summary of The Silent Patient by Michaelides. Hope this summary has piqued your interest in the novel and its themes of love, obsession, and revenge. Make sure to comment, share, like, and subscribe. The channel Best Books Club, for more book recommendations and summaries.